Guys, and welcome to this particular video. So as you all may have known by now, each epoch actually lasts for a month. All right, so but today is 2nd of February and yesterday was first, so the epoch 16 actually started yesterday. Okay, and right now a lot of you may be wondering, when is this current epoch going to be ending? All right, so it's going to be ending very soon, just as soon as we get to the 1st of March. All right, because each epoch actually lasts for a month. All right, so right now guys can see this is my own current earning on this particular epoch right here. You can see it actually started on the 1st and it is supposed to end on the 3rd of March. As you can see right here, it is ending on the 3rd of March, and this is my current earning on it. And right now guys, you can see the last epoch actually ended successfully, and I know a lot of you may have gotten enough points, including network points. I hope you are stacking network points. It is also very important, but that is not what we are going to be talking about on this particular video. On this particular video guys, we are going to be talking about the latest update about grass airdrop. All right, because there has been a lot of new updates, even those that are not yet live. We are going to be talking about it on this particular short video. I don't want this video to be very long. Okay, so let's start with something very interesting right here. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, or if you are just coming across my channel for the first time, please, on this channel I talk about crypto airdrop and I keep you guys updated on all things crypto, and I help you guys learn about some stuff that's going to be making you earn money. All right, so over here right now, if you haven't subscribed yet, please look below the video you're watching right now, click on the subscription button to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon that will be appearing and select all, so that whenever I post any new update, YouTube will send you the video. Also, go ahead to give this video a thumbs up please if you find the video interesting. Share the video right now and drop an interesting comment. That's going to be helping me, it's going to be motivating me to make even much more videos. So going back to the main video of the day, the current epoch right now is epoch 16, as a lot of you may have known, and the community is no longer happy with grass airdrop. I understand the community is no longer happy with grass airdrop. All right, but one thing that I need you guys to know right now is that grass airdrop recently came out to announce that they are actually trying to make things go even better, that they are no longer, you know, depending on the wish, like it's not like they are no longer listening to the community, but they are trying to make things work out in the best way, because they are trying to roll out a lot of new updates and they want the updates to align with the date for the airdrop season 2 distribution. And over here, a little sneak peek of what I'm actually talking about is what we have right here on the Discord. So over here, the bot is actually answering some certain questions from certain people, and over here addressing one of the questions right here, you can see it gave a lot of important information right here. And over here, I'm currently on the bot. You can see this is the bot right here, and the bot says right here, it says the end date for the stage 2 is dependent on the progress and development of the grass network, ecosystem and product, rather than adhering to a set of time frame, meaning that they do not actually have a particular time frame, though there is actually a time window given for the season 2, which is the first quarter, the first half of 2026. That is it is going to be distributed within the first 6 months of 2022. And over here it says right here that the stage 2, that is the end date for the stage 2, is dependent on the progress and the development of the grass network, ecosystem and products, rather than adhering to a set of time frame. Stay tuned to the announcement channel for the most up-to-date information. Now I'm going to be reading out the most important thing that I needed to take from this video. So from here right now, you guys can see it says, as the network scales, Grass is preparing for the next integration of its reward program. Now, reward program, mark that word, reward program. Okay, now Airdrop 2 will be structured to better align incentives with long-term network contribution, with distribution taking place directly through a new native wallet. Take note of that word, native wallet, available through the Grass dashboard. the function is actively developing this framework, and full detail regarding eligibility. Sorry, the foundation is actively developing this framework, and full details regarding eligibility will be released once the account abstraction based wallet infrastructure is live in the first half of 2026. All right, so over here it says that the reward program is going to be taking place directly through the native wallet, meaning that Grass is about to, a kind of launch their own native wallet. They will no longer use something like Solana wallets, MetaMask wallets, and the rest. They are trying to launch their own native wallet. All right, and of course, it is going to be available on the first half of 2026. Okay, now you have the reason why the Grass airdrop stage 2 is not yet over, and of course you now have the time frame when you should be expecting the airdrop, and of course it is on the first half of 2026, meaning we are within January, February, March, April, May, June. All right, so before June ends, we are going to be having the stage 2 reward distribution. All right, so this is the latest information right now that I think you guys need to have right now, so that you won't be asking a lot of questions like when is the season 2 ending and other stuffs like that. All right, so it is very simple, guys. Right now you have it. Now you need to key in, start accumulating much more points, and also keep your fingers crossed and hope for the better. Remember, the eligibility criteria is yet to be rolled out. So if you haven't yet started with the Grass airdrop, you still have a lot of time to get started. All right, so I'll be leaving the link right there on the video description box. You can use the link to get started right now. All right, so this is what you need to know right now as regards the Grass airdrop. If you have any question, you can drop it right there on the comment section, and do not forget that we have a Telegram channel where we post updates back to back. Do well to join our Telegram so that whenever we post any new update, you get to know about it immediately. It is all as simple as this. And remember, more and more airdrop are coming up, and I'm still going to be updating you guys on any important one that I actually come across. All right, so I want to be checking something right here before I end the video completely. Okay, before I end the video completely. Okay. Okay, now it says info about rules. Okay, these are the rules that we have right here. Okay, nothing right here actually. So I think that is going to be the end of this video. So if any update drops, I'm still going to be updating you guys. Thank you for watching, and do have a lovely day.